Welcome to our YouTube video on how to enable all notifications on Gmail. In this updated tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to ensure you never miss an important email again. To start, open your Android phone's Settings. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Apps section within your settings. This is where you can manage all of the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Gmail. Once you have located it, tap on it to select it. Within the Gmail app settings, you will see an option for notifications. Tap on this to access the notification settings for Gmail. Here, you will see a toggle for Show Notifications. Make sure this is turned on by swiping the toggle to the right. This will ensure that you receive all notifications for new emails in your Gmail inbox. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can rest assured that you will never miss an important email again. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to enable all notifications on Gmail. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.